Welcome business buddies. In this video I'm gonna explain this status when creating your campaigns. The first one is pending. A pending status means an action is awaiting approval or completion. You can either edit it, pause it, resume it, delete it. The second one is running. A running status refers to ongoing process. You can choose to pause it, which is the next status, paused. You can choose to pause your action and choose when you want to resume it. Next status is drafts. The actions that you still didn't complete yet will be automatically drafts. So you can either edit it or delete it. The final status is sent. All the sequences that have been completed will be shown as sent. So you can see here all the details with the steps, analytics, your prospects, current steps, state, and time.